How to create an account on Kindle. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an account on Kindle. So to do that, first of all, download the Kindle app from either your Play Store or your App Store. And once you've downloaded the app, simply open it. Now, as soon as you open the app, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where it'll basically ask you whether you want to create an account or sign into your existing Amazon account to sign into Kindle, as Kindle is a part of Amazon. So if you already have an Amazon account, you can simply log into it. But if you don't, you can also create a new Amazon account by tapping the option create account. But for me, since I already have an Amazon account, I'll simply log into my Amazon account, tap on the option continue. After that, it'll send me a security code. I'll once again tap on the option continue. And once you're logged into your Amazon account, you'll be automatically logged into your Kindle account. So that is basically how you create an account or log into Kindle. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.